Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day, Winslow Township, Cedarbrook section, 121 Pump Branch Road. This is a very special house. Pride of ownership shines through. The seller is meticulous as all get out, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Let's check this one out. It's excellent property. It's got 6-foot vinyl fencing. You got Old Glory here. The cobblestone pavers adds a really nice touch, curvy, really outstanding. The flower beds, you can see not a weed to be seen. That's how meticulous the seller is. Let's check out the inside. It's got 3 beds, 1.5 baths. You're looking at the dining area, and it's got windows to the east. You have this lovely breakfast peninsula, and it's granite countertops. The drawers are all dovetail joints, and these are really heavy duty, really nice drawers. You got the pantry, and it has the pull outs, top of the line. Really nice. It's got the tile backsplash, diamond cut, and it's got stainless steel appliance package. You have the built-in speakers throughout the entire house. Those are infinity speakers, and it sounds absolutely phenomenal. So those speakers are included. Coming this way, this would be the lower level bedroom, and this is perfect for an in-law setup, right through the pocket doors, and you have a nice size closet right here to service that area. Coming back through, you have a half bath, and what's great about this is it opens to the outside, and there's a gorgeous pool, which I'm going to show you momentarily, and the people can come right through that pass door, not go through the house, and not disturb the rest of the property. Here you have a nice office area, put your computer. You see it has a giant credenza right here, nice. And you have the stacked washer and dryer. Those are Kenmore's. Plenty of storage behind that door. This would be the Florida room. This adds an extra 225 square feet to the property. The tax record, as often as it is incorrect on this property. The tax record lists this property at 1,344 square feet. This room adds approximately 225 square feet. So in reality, you have approximately 1,569 square feet. And you can see that it opens to the unbelievable patio area, swimming pool, which we'll check out soon. Oh, by the way, there is the garage here. So you can see it's got a 1-car garage, all drywalled. More space here in the full finished basement. Easy fit for a sectional couch, and you see the wood burning floor to ceiling brick fireplace. Belly up to the bar and have fun with your guests, family and friends. Utility room has your Ream HVAC system, everything nice and neat. Upstairs, there's 2 more bedrooms. This would be the smaller of the 2 upper beds. It's got the plank walling, upgraded windows, and the whole house has been upgraded window-wise at some point in the recent past. You got your built-in bookshelf, nice and neat. It's got a full bath, and you can see it's got the closet wall where you can put all of your towels and accessories. Everything fits perfectly right there. You don't need to walk anywhere other than right down the corridor in your bathroom. The master bedroom is enormous. It's got hardwood floors throughout the master. Lovely view of the backyard. Goes on for quite a ways. Very long sight line there. The air conditioning system is built into the ceiling, the HVAC, so the cool air trickles down and feels great in the summertime. You got the 2 skylights. You have a built-in electric fireplace right here, and you have a huge walk-in closet. The HVAC system was installed approximately 2012, and it's a Ream system, and it's really top of the line. Natural gas, of course, on the furnace and your central air. Let's check out the exterior grounds, which is more of the same. You have composite decking right here, step down, and this unbelievable concrete patio area, gleaming white concrete. This pool, the liner was installed approximately 2018. It's a 25,000 gallon pool, diving board, shallow end, deep end, real nice. Got the drain system here for the concrete. Got vinyl fencing all around, and you can see how nice and neat, everything to perfection at this property. And you got the purple martin house there for your birds. Got an apple tree right next to the purple martins. And check out this gazebo. Imagine just kind of hanging out here, talking with the family, solving the world's problems. One of the real benefits of this property. Planter boxes, you have Leland cypress right here. And then you have a very large area here, play area for the kids, use it as you want. Crepe myrtles, holly tree, a bevy of birdhouses, hot peppers, Japanese maple here, Rose of Sharon all along the fence line. Plus this property, this is 121 Pump Ranch, it comes with this extra lot, which will be yours once you buy it. And it houses those two sheds to the rear. And you have just another area where there's a fire pit and all kinds of driftwood and lovely landscape elements. That's all yours. This alcove is deep in the pocket. It gives a long extension to the property, beautiful long sight line. You're gonna absolutely love this part of it. You have cedar trees. Below it you have the Rose of Sharon, and it creates a whole layer of privacy all along here. You feel like there's nobody else around you. It's really spectacular that way. The fish pond, it's got the goldfish in it. You can see more of the same, everything working perfectly, nice, neat, real nice. That's your Ream central air unit there, and that's running beautiful. And you have your workshop here. Who doesn't want this? Shelving galore, you got the pegboard, nice counter here to work on, store all your equipment and tools right in your shelving there, and there's more space up top. And if you needed to access the backyard, you have the opening 6-foot gates here. You can pull anything right back here and do your thing. So here's the highlights at 121 Pump Ranch Road in Winslow Township. And by the way, this is the Cedarbrook section, which is a highly desirable section of Winslow Township. You have the in-ground pool, 3 beds, 1.5 baths. Remember the square footage as listed, if you look it up, it might say 1,344 square feet, but there's more square footage than that. Approximately 1,569 square feet would be likely a better reading. You have the extra lot, which gives you in the pocket views of the backyard, gorgeous. The landscape is incredible. You have the tile flooring on the first floor. You got hardwood up in the master bedroom. HVAC is not new, but it's been upgraded over the recent past. Roof is approximately 2015. You name it, everything is done here. You got Mr. and Mrs. Meticulous here as sellers. All you need to do is move in. And as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.